mechanical liner. That's what it looks like. I feel like I'm a little too far in the camera that way. It may be the way I positioned it when I came around the corner. I really like that. And again, L'Oreal. This could be like a little L'Oreal commercial. Okay. So I'm holding the black base right now just to tip out my curled lashes. Always squint so you don't hit your eyelid. Put this towards the nose, the inner one. Didn't get that one very good before over here. And then that out towards the ear. Tip the ends real good first. I don't know why that's always harder. Lately. And then now, oops, that little bang needs to be out of the way. Alright, so now, this is a kind of something to get used to, I will tell you that. But I do like that it's bit because it makes it very easy to get into the, under the lashes really good. So, y'all try it and tell me what you think. I definitely think you will not be sorry if you get this mascara, so go get it. It is, I got the waterproof. I only like waterproof because it holds the curl that you've just curled so well. As soon as you curl your lashes after you have used your eyelash curler with a waterproof, it sets it, meaning it's just going to stay. This is such a good mascara, y'all. But look how easy it is to get in that way. It does make it easy. Oh, well, why haven't I been using this? Bree, you have got to stop pitching a fit now. That's enough. That's enough, young lady. See how it just makes it easy to get back in there? Yeah, much easier. Much easier. I never thought that this would be such a good thing. That's obviously so, and why I have not used it. But I've been making a terrible mistake by not using it. That's one layer of this mascara, y'all. You could stop right there. You really could. I always do 2 coats. It may look overkill today. I mean, no kidding. Sometimes I go back over and tip the ends, especially if it's evening time. But today I don't really feel like I need to. Get those outer ones again. Wow, that is just some great looking mascara. Y'all, I don't think I've seen a mascara this good in a long time. I just got the fuzz. Look at how awesome. This fuzz is off. Now she's getting into my packages from Christmas. Oh no, that's where my husband, bless his heart. Y'all, he went and bought me coffee. He hates coffee. He hates the whole coffee industry. He hates the smell of coffee. Coffee is no, no, no to him. That's the one thing he will not do for me. Y'all, he went and bought me coffee. He said it was on sale. It's like $10 off for the box. And that's the ones that I really love that I showed y'all lately. That is the butter toffee. Cannot get over how pretty this mascara is, y'all. Wow. That's some lashes right there. That's some teeth lash. This color lipstick makes my lips just look almost non-existent. It's the only problem I have with them. Okay, the whole point, Beth, is to use this. It's a little harder to cross over your chest with this, I guess, because that's when you do the down. Yeah, it does make it easier. Definitely makes it easier. I think I may start doing it this way. Just have to get used to it. The angle. But it does make it so much easier to get. Look how it just goes right. It's so much easier to get to the lower lashes. The upper lashes. The upside down lashes. The inside out lashes. And I have all of those. Just kidding. Actually, no, I'm not. I have all kind of weird shaped lashes. They go all different directions. They're not pretty. Nicely even lashes. My lashes are very weird. Oops, I do have to get used to this. I just hit my skin. Let me see if I can do that without a cotton bud and wipe it on my trusty cloth. Yep. There. I think that's enough. Even for me. Y'all really like that. So that you don't touch it, put this down in there and then click it back. And then you can, I would definitely hold on to this because you could change your mind. You may not like it. And that, what that does, that's a guard to keep it from bending if you don't want to use that. So, love the product. Love it. Not sure about this. Maybe I just need more of it. I just feel like my lips are non-existent. What do y'all think? And I really like that I found something new that I like, which is this, I bought this just to try it, and then I stuck it over there in my little, I have so many little things that sit around, brushes, all kind of stuff. Those are all mascaras. This is liners, and this liner was in there, and I haven't used it, and I'm just going to have to hold that out because I really like it. I mean, like a lot. Okay, so once you've set this, the only thing is, now it's a little jelly. So I'm going to take the gel off because that's what sets it. So I'm going to add some more and see if maybe that makes me feel better. Do y'all see what I mean? It's like, that didn't even make a difference. Let's try again. Trying to get a little Cupid's bow even. I don't know. What do y'all think of this color on me? I don't know what to make of it. Don't know what to make of it. It just looks a little, well, you know, it doesn't add much. It just looks like, it does look almost like a nude for me. Like it's building the shape of my lip, but not any added color. So maybe that's all it is. But maybe that could be a good thing. Watch this end up being one of my favorites. You know what else I didn't do? My brows. What am I going to do with my brows here? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? I guarantee you there is a brow product in here. What's that? Oh, it's another one of those. Is that a brow product? Stila Smudge in Vivid Amethyst. Whoa. I think that is what this is. I think I got, because remember Almay no longer made the rose quartz or black amethyst. Oh look, this is almost out. Oh no, it's not. I just need to push it up a little bit. Okay. So this has got a purple undertone. Woo, that's dark. Very lightly. Whoa, we're going to have to very lightly use this. So I'm just going to support the underside of the brow. Whoa, that's dark. And just a little in the front here. Gosh, this is not usable for the brow, y'all. It's almost black. Putting a little through here just so. Yeah, that's dark. I'm going to make it even. There. Okay, so what can I do about that? Because it's just too dark. Well, you get your brow comb like this. Make sure. I'm coming, filming, darling. I'm coming in just 1 second. I'm putting on the last of my brows. So you brush up, and that kind of destroys that line, number one. It also kind of thins out the product a little bit, and it also, so it blurs the line, so that helps right there. It definitely helped, but it also adds the color a little higher up, so it kind of blends it in. You know, you're knocking off some of the color is what I'm saying. Now the only bad thing about this is, when I did that, it gave quite a bit of fallout above the brow. See that? Best thing to do is use the pencil itself to take that back off. Just use it. I know you're thinking, well, you're adding color up there. You're not. You're actually just taking it off. Worst case, you may have to actually get a cloth or one of the cotton bud tips. Remember these little tip cotton buds that have points? But I think I'm getting this all with the actual brush. And I can still brush this backward a little bit and get the little hairs to show. And that's what you want to do. You want the hairs to show so it looks more like it's the hairs than a crayon. How's that? It is a little dark. I don't think I would use that again. You could use that, though, in your waterline. It's a beautiful purple, almost like a purple black. So, you also could use your little liner here, but I'm just kind of done. I'm just done. Because my breakfast is waiting downstairs. Do I have too much blush on my nose? Okay, it's better. So this is my finished look. What do you think? I wish I could find this necklace because it would look so good with these earrings. But it's gone. I don't know what to do with it. What is with me? I think I have too much stuff. Truly, too much stuff. There's your problem. Oh, one of the things you do at the end of all this is use your finishing spray. Or this is the Hydra Beauty Essence Mist, which is a hydration, protection, energizing mist. And I usually use this to wake up if I'm tired and I feel like I'm driving and I'm tired, I'm at work and I'm tired. I love it. I made it very wet this time on purpose. This is one of those things I will not do without. I love it. It's expensive as crap. And I just have to wait for the right time for it, but it lasts because I don't use it every day. I just wanted to use it right now. And boy, is it wet looking. But it will set it, and also any powders, it kind of melts it and it looks more like skin when you do this. Make sure. Brush up here so you don't have pimento cheese. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.